Oldest thing anyone's ever seen. Yeah, that's what these are. So fossilized sea creatures about 300 million years old. So the limestone here was formed underneath the shallow sea near the equator. Tectonic movement has brought it up. You'll see the limestone right throughout the centre of Ireland, but the fossils are quite prominent in this area just here. Yeah, and I'll show you. Oh yeah, there it is. You can see this here, this texture. That's fossilized coral. Yeah.
Thanks for bringing that up, Patty.
So just here then we have part of the old town wall. They started to construct it in 1267. It took about 30 years to build. When it was completed, it was the longest urban wall in Ireland. It was about 2.5 miles long in total. Now the walls and gates, or sorry, the archway I should point out here then, it's the only standing of the original 13 gates that went into the town. It's known as Black Ferrin Gate. It's named after the Blackfriars down here who had their own key to get in and out. The walls and gates then of most towns in England and Ireland are built for the same reasons. The obvious reason is defence, but the important reason is to tax traders that want to get in. So the tax was known as murage, which comes from the French word lamour. And the walls stood then until 1650 when Cromwell breached them. When he breached them, they don't bother repairing them because they're useless against cannon. They are only somewhere between 1 metre and 1.5 metres thick. But we still have about a quarter of the wall standing in the town today.